Keith, here's your 347 all block Ford. The description is combination. That's the brass cast heads. You got the valve covers on it. Really nice looking. Little block air cap. USB core billet. Custom bright hydraulic door. Front sump pan. Got the blocked out March. Want her to make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. All right, 3,700, 397 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 426, peak horsepower 417, rate of 425, front end is about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things. See your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It's full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other information, tech stuff. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.